A lot of patients ask me that will the mini screw hurt? Will it make pain for me if I am eating with it while putting the mini screw? Is it a painful procedure? Because the mini screw, it goes inside the bone and it makes a very, very tiny hole in your gum. Before the mini screw procedure, we give an LA, that is an anesthetizing solution that numbs your gum, and the bone is anyway has no sensitization inside it. So mini screw placement is absolutely painless, so we should not worry about it. Number 2, I would like to explain you how we use a mini screw. So to use a mini screw, basically we use an attachment power chain or an attachment spring. So mostly that spring or that power chain goes from the mini screw head to the tooth that we are supposed to move. Sometimes this power chain can also go to an attachment that will hold the wire, as in like a hook, so that we can move a lot of teeth together in the direction of the power chain backside. Now, one of the most important things that the patient needs to understand about mini screw is maintaining them, as in how to make sure that the mini screw is effectively working and it doesn't cause infection and problem in your mouth. After the placement of the mini screw, it is very, very important to make sure that it is always clean. Clean around the mini screw head and clean around any attachments that are connected to the mini screw. Secondly, for some patients, the mini screw can be a bit sharp in the beginning, as in the mini screw head can cause some irritation in their gums or in their mucosa, as in the skin of their cheeks. So what to do in that case? You can either cover the head of the mini screw with wax, or you can come to our clinic if it is making issue for you, and we can help you make it soft by covering it with a soft material. Cleaning of mini screw is very, very important, and therefore your brushing technique needs to be very, very perfect. You have to make sure you avoid any sticky, soft and sugary food, and after every meal or whenever you are drinking such sweet and sticky food, make sure to clean your mini screw with your brush. Ortho brush is something that is thin, straight and can easily go around your mini screw, and we often advise to use the same to clean around your mini screw. Number 2, avoid any hard food. Any hard food can have a serious and strong impact on the mini screw and can often make it loose. The food that goes around your mini screw can often go inside the gum, and if you don't clean it on time, it can make infection, and that infection can eventually make the bone around mini screw soft, making your mini screw loose. In any situation, if you ever feel that your mini screw is getting loose, or if it is making pain if you are touching it, then you make sure that you come to clinic as soon as possible. Okay, so basically this is an ortho brush. This is a straight brush, and that's why it's very useful in operating in places between the brackets, particularly between your mini screw and your power chain. So when the patient eats food, a lot of food gets stuck around the mini screw. When you brush with a regular brush, it cleans the top part of the braces and the mini screw. But the part below and behind the power chain, it always gets left behind. So with a straight brush, you can always go between the places which are very small to reach by normal brush, and make sure that the mini screw head is clean and very, very smooth from all the remaining food particles.
មន្ទីរព្យាបាលថ្មី Master Care យើងជាវិស្វករនៃស្នាមញញឹម